Today I have a sweet Christmas garland for you. Welcome to the Chic Show. This is the second day of Christmas, hosted by Rustic and Lace and Krista's Crafty Life. Their channels in the playlist are in the description box below. I'm starting today with these pieces of foam, and I'm cutting them into strips in Christmas colors. I took one of the green, white, and red strips and stacked them on top, and then I used a yarn needle to stitch them together back and forth like ribbon candy. Once I had the needle through there, it was hard to pull all the way through, so I just used some pliers to pull it through. I tied a knot at the top, and I made 2 of these. I did end up adding some glue and putting a rubber band around some of these pieces so that the glue could dry. For this piece, I'm using a green and a white, and I'm going to go ahead and add that glue and then just roll this up into a peppermint shape. I added a rubber band to hold it in place and let it dry overnight. I repeated the same process for a couple of other peppermints. For the rest of these pieces, I'm using these little gingerbread men, and I'm going to turn these little ornaments into gingerbread cookies. So I'm adding the sticker to a white piece of foam, and then I'm cutting that out and then adding that to the brown piece of foam so that it has the same look as the gingerbread man. Once I had all my cookies cut out, it was time to glue them onto this baker's twine. I just added a little bead of hot glue onto the back, and then this garland was complete. Although I have not decorated my mantel just yet, here's a look at it with a little bit of greenery. Sure and check out the playlist in the description box below, and I'll leave another video right here that I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.